Hotbed Talk.
When we went on this journey to start this process, it was simple ERAS, and I think it has gained energy on its own. It has become more of a concept. Now we're doing the evidence base, and it's become a passion, not only for us as the leaders, physicians, but our team around the hospital and the healthcare workers, including nurses, administration now. And really what it has come was an idea to enhance medical care, length of stay and the easy metrics. But more so what we've learned personally is that the patient outcomes, the patient satisfaction, and the quality of care we're delivering now, because of the passion we have and moving and progressing every day with it, has been amazing. Seen around all levels that what we do in constantly trying to innovate and do more, we are seeing this with the outcomes of the patients.
A hot topic here in the U.S. is our opioid epidemic and how enhanced recovery is being used to address the opioid epidemic in our surgical population. We know that, up to 1 in 10 people can become addicted after their surgical experience.
We have found almost by accident, when we started our program, we had some issues with narcotics and the inability to get a PCA pump, for instance. And that set off a snowball or a domino effect that we didn't have it, so we had to find alternatives. And each time we would find an alternative, whether it's an oral medication that didn't agree with the patient, the next thing you know, a month or two into this, we said, the patients aren't needing narcotics. So standard in our group now, our colorectal group, on all patients, all cancers, all IBD or Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, and diverticular disease, we put everybody through opiate-free, total perioperative treatment. Now, obviously that can't go across the whole board for everybody, but we have not only found not giving scripts to go home and, as you say, causing the problem, but most importantly for us, the patients are happy. Yeah. They're happy with their treatment. They say the pain is actually more controlled using multimodal therapies rather than just narcotics with more narcotics and more narcotics. So we've, by accident, found that our outcomes, our patient satisfaction, our length, everything we talk about has improved by removing the narcotics. The hardest part of this is the culture of narcotics. Mm-hmm. You have surgery, you are hurt, you need narcotics. To get people, to get nursing, to get everybody over that is a very difficult task. However, when you show outcomes, as you said, it makes a big difference. And I think that this is better for everybody, the patients and society, as you said. There's a big problem.
Hotbed Talk.